wrong price. Put that over there. Put this in a new bag for me. Put these back in stock. Reprice these. You guys priced these wrong. I'll take these to the show if you want to reprice it for me now. $2.75 or $3, I believe, right?
This is $3. Look, everything has this is $3 and $3.50. It's like the 275 doesn't have the signs. Look. Fix those up for me. I'll take them to the show now. Recording Joshua.
Give mommy a kiss. Mm. Okay, you're done eating now. You're done with your break. Go back to work. Go back to work now. Are you a Xerox machine guy now? What?
Move apples away?
I'm done. You want some?
No.
Finish your food first, Joshua, before you touch that.
I think maybe Mina. Did you bring apple, Mina?
No, I didn't bring
Not
apple. I
today?
forgot. No. I have some at home. Because